Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Before today we will see in this video's new stylish button details, plain skater dresses, office wear, party wear and evening wear, stylish plain skater dresses for girls and women in 2022. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, I have uploaded new stylish plain skater dresses. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscriber, you will see in this video's new attractive plus size and plain skater dresses, mother of the bride dress designs. Today you will see in this video's new all kinds of different plus size and plain skater dresses, blouses with skirts designs, long mixed dresses, top blouses designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Very beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video's new stylish plain and check printed skater dresses. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and to like this one dress design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. You will see in this video's new attractive plain skater dresses. Dear viewers, you will see in this video's new stylish plain skater dresses. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections. Do you have new ideas of different dresses designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how's my videos. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Very beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video solid colors, plain skater dresses with matching clutch design, tie neck designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So viewers, take care, friends. Allah Hafiz.